So yesterday we woke up to the very unfortunate news that 22-year-old upcoming Lekompo artist Queen Tag has sadly passed away after being involved in a very horrific accident. You guys, Queen Tag was originally from Palabora, you guys, and there's been a lot of speculations as to what could possibly have transpired. So I saw something on Facebook, Letabo Tlolane, shared screenshots, conversations between her and Caltonic PHB, who is reportedly her former producer, and apparently they were involved in an embroilment over a single that Caltonic had, produced. And this person said, what if Caltonic is involved in the passing of Queen Tag, because it clearly shows that he was threatening her now and again, you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and read the screenshots. Caltonic says, Sheikh Queen Tag, please, I want you to know something, ne? Kopa gore ge o fitla staging ska performa kosha jaka, cause loyalty ke o shereje. And I told you that my song I mean gore wena ge o opetse le nna o vaye o performa the tracks jaka. I have license, yeah, that track. If you keep on performing my song, we will meet at Namagale Court. Okay, and then she responded by saying, Retla Kopana Namagole police station. Then he responded and said, Skantwaela, please, or unya kontseba gore ke phela bjang. She responded by saying, Are bolayane. He said, Senna boss, so ke nna Calto ene, godimo ga dilo tšaka, ke sure wa nkwa. A sa nka ka risa koša ya go tlogela ke berekile le wena. Nna a ke gafe, that's why o rile ke delete yela ya 99 a sa nka ka deleter a sa nka ka lighter, I deleted it when I drop amos. Okay, bona o tla o mpotše. Then he responded and said, wa kgona go bolela ne? Aowa, re ke rata attention and outle le batho lemponche. Basically, you guys, they were going back and forth about the song. Caltonic said that she shouldn't play her song as that song belongs to him, and he says that he had given Queen Tag her share basically to the song, and they've been going back and forth, like threatening each other. And on one of the screenshots, he is heard saying, he went on to say, okay, I want to show you something. A kere a o sa nyaka go opela ke a go bona, o telela wrong person, a o ntsebe botse. He basically threatened her, saying that he's going to show her who he is, because she doesn't want to sing anymore. This is not funny, actually. She doesn't want to sing anymore. And then she says that, you know what, I'm not afraid of you. Basically, you can come and show me. Why osabulele namong wa kosha before you perform? Do you know or it's illegal? Guys, so this person that posted this is basically insinuating that Caltonic could possibly have something to, it doesn't even make sense, because I feel like they have sorted their differences out. We have seen them performing after these were, these heated exchange was shared on social media. So this person alleges that yo, guys, anyways, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video, and of course do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Guys, we're sending out our deepest sincere condolences to the family, and may her soul rest in peace.